Everyone, this is Pratesh with My Blockchain Education. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. This is going to be the second part of setting up a CoinBase account. In the previous video, we had gone over how to enter in your account information, how to link your bank account so that way you can transfer funds. And in this video, we're going to be covering how to buy your first crypto. So we're going to purchase a little bit of Bitcoin today just to kind of show you the process, and hopefully you guys will be able to take something from this. So to get started, what we're going to do is click on buy and sell, and this is going to be in Coinbase. When you're on the main screen here, we had already logged in. Just click up at the top here, it says buy sell, and we can choose whichever crypto we would like to purchase from Coinbase. In this case today, we're going to be buying some Bitcoin. This is just for demonstration. I don't typically buy Bitcoin randomly. If you guys are interested in learning how I've basically created a strategy for making purchases for crypto, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. There's going to be a lot of content coming out related to investment strategies for cryptocurrency. But getting back into the video here, if I click on whatever cryptocurrency I'd like to purchase, you can just do that here where it says buy. You do also have the option to sell if you wanted to sell any cryptocurrency and trade that in for US dollars. But we're going to be buying today. We've already got our bank account linked, so that's all we need to do there. And if we scroll down here, we can choose the payment method, which is the bank account we selected. And I'm going to choose a pretty small amount. We can choose whatever amount we'd like, and it's really just up to you. And in this case, we're able to make the purchase here, and on the right side it almost shows kind of like a receipt layout where we can see the amount of Bitcoin we're purchasing at what cost per Bitcoin, and it's also from what account we're debiting and when the funds will be available. So that's all here to see. Now there is going to be a fee, and one thing I will note in this video is that the fees on Coinbase are what you're going to have to look out for. If you're buying cryptocurrency on a regular basis or in great quantities, you're going to be paying some hefty fees if you're going to be buying from Coinbase. So I'm going to be talking about ways to get around that in future videos, and I would also recommend that you search on YouTube. There are a lot of great YouTubers who cover cryptocurrency and go over this topic. Fees are a big deal when it comes to buying Bitcoin, especially. So I would definitely do your research in that regard. And that's what we see here. The Coinbase fee is $1. So if we buy $20, we're paying $1 to Coinbase. But besides the point, if we were to buy Bitcoin, all we really have to do is just click on buy Bitcoin, and that will be debited into our account. So I'm not going to go too big here, but I am going to place the order just so I can show you the process. So if we click on buy, all I want to do is 20 bucks. We can see the funds will be debited today or within 3 business days via ACH. Not entirely sure what that means, but we're just going to go with the standard option. Confirm buy. Thank you, your payment is processing. So typically with a new account like we've created, it does take a few business days for Coinbase to actually verify the funds in your checking account. So nothing to be afraid of here. The funds will be available on Saturday, the 26th, and that's pretty much it. So guys, what I can suggest to you is just look around Coinbase a little bit, just get familiar with the platform. It is a very, very user-friendly interface, I would say, and it's pretty popular for people who are looking to just purchase any type of crypto. Now, the reason I bought Bitcoin as opposed to Litecoin or Ethereum, it's really personal preference, and I would say that Bitcoin is pretty much where the markets are. I guess what relates the markets to whatever price it's going to be. So if Bitcoin goes up, then typically the other markets will go up with it. And that's how it's been for some time. Now that is changing with the Bitcoin dominance kind of retracing a little bit, but that's a story for another video. So guys, if you were able to find something informative from this, please go ahead and drop a like. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have some constructive criticism, or if you just want to give some advice to fellow cryptocurrency enthusiasts. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.